Hey YouTube, it's Sean, Griffin RC Planes. If you want to know how to use some of these Spektrum USB update cables, check out some of my videos. This one is for the smart chargers. This is the Bluetooth module for AS3X receivers, the DXE transmitter, and much more. This is the USB program cable for all your receivers that are updatable and to program 636s and your smart receivers and the DXE transmitter. And this one is for the older UMX 6-channel AS3X only receivers. Before Safe Select came out, those UMX receivers right there. Right there. Until next time, you'll see me here. Thank you, guys.